Paddle season just around the corner, but before you strap that kayak to the roof rack, let's run through a quick health check to make sure you stay safe and comfortable on the water.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Starting with the hull. Flip it over and give it a good inspection. Look for any deep gouges or cracks from last season's adventures, and if you do find anything, do look to repair it before heading out. Also, plastic hates the sun. Make sure you give it a good wash and apply a UV protector. The stuff from August Race does a great job. This stops the colour from fading and it keeps the plastic from becoming brittle. Finally, thing to check is your drain plug O-ring. If it's cracked or the rubber started to grade, make sure you replace that. If you're in an inflatable kayak, make sure to blow it up, check and tighten any valves, and if you do spot a leak, glue it up and patch it. You don't want to be sinking at sea. With a sit on top kayak, your drainage is critical. Check your scupper holes are clear of any sand or debris and make sure that your kayak can drain effectively. If you're in a sitting kayak or closed cockpit kayak, make sure you check your spray deck. Make sure it has a watertight seal with you and of course the cockpit rim. If you spot any holes, make sure you patch them up, you don't want wet legs. Also, check your deck bungees. If the elastic is dry or brittle, replace them now. You don't want to lose your dry bag or gear because a bungee snapped. Now for comfort. Check the webbing straps and the clips on your seat. If they're frayed or the metal is corroded, they will likely snap when you first lean back. Test your foot braces. These often seize up with salt or sand over time. Slide them backwards and forwards, and if they start sticking, clean the rails and apply a little silicone lubricant to get them moving smoothly. Don't forget the engine, your paddle. Inspect the blades for chips and cracks. And if you use a two-piece paddle, take it apart, give it a good clean. You want to make sure you can take it apart and put it together again. Finally, the most important bit, safety. Get your buoyancy aid out of storage, check for mould and damaged buckles. Squeeze the foam. If it feels hard or compressed, it's probably time to replace it. Double check you do have a working whistle as well. Have it attached to your vest securely and it could just save your life. A few minutes of prep now means a full season of fun. If you do need any safety equipment, advice, anything like that, drop us a message, give us a call, an email, check out our website, and we look forward to seeing you out there.